Hey, what's up? Johnny Grooms here, and today I'm going to be trying to learn how to use the straight edge razor. I'm going to be making a balloon friend, slapping some shaving cream on him, and trying to shave him without popping him. Stay tuned. Okay, first I would like to introduce everyone to my balloon friend. He is very worried about today's video because I'm going to be shaving with this razor and I do not know how to use it, so this is a learning experience. Well, to load this, first you lift this up, separate this, then you get a razor. And you're going to break this razor in half, but you're not going to take it out of the package so you don't cut yourself because these are extremely sharp. Snap. There you go. And you carefully take out your half a razor. Remember, extremely sharp. And you're going to fit it right here. Just like so. And lock it in. So, as you can see, the razor is just right there. Now, I don't know how to properly hold this, so I'm just going to do whatever feels naturally to me. And it's this. This feels natural to me. It may be wrong, but like I said, I don't know, and I'm just learning. Okay, he's ready for the shave, and let's see. All right, here we go. I'm gonna pull the skin tight. So your balloon, you want your balloon to be squishy if you're gonna do this, and carefully start to go not straight down, but at an angle. Huh. Not too bad. Oof. I gotta say, for my first time, I'm doing pretty good here. And this, I have never practiced. This is the very first time I've ever tried to use this. I wonder when I get stuck like that, you know? Let's see. Poor Frankie. So Frankie, rest in peace. Or should I say rest in pieces? Once he popped, shaving cream went all over the place. I got some all over my computer, both my monitor. Not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep trying. I was doing really well there. I went straight down. I don't know why I was going straight down so much, but kind of forgot to hold it at the angle. It's gonna be a while before I use this on my skin. If you like the content of the video, like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know the next time I upload another video. Catch you in the next one. Later.